Hello guys, welcome to the video. The car you see in the picture is 206 SD 2013. First, let's take a quick look at the exterior. But it moves inside. The console is full of sticky spots and all the rear floors are full of dirt and grime. But if you're new, take a second and subscribe to the channel, and I'll post 2 new videos like this every week, so if you activate the side alarm you will not miss a single item. Alright, so now we're going to start with the basic wash, and I have to say I'm looking forward to cleaning the inside of the car, but before I get to that part I have to work on the outside, and as you know we're going to do that. Always start with a preliminary wash to remove as much dirt as possible. There is a bit of dust on the front wheels, and the dirt should be removed from the surface with water pressure, so that it can be cleaned well. What do you think about the video? Tell me in the comments section, and if the video has been satisfactory so far, subscribe to the channel and press the bell on the side so you don't miss our next. Very well, after this we start cleaning the inside of the car, and we start the work by removing the floor coverings and washing them. Well guys, 8 hours later and the 206 car looks absolutely incredible, and all the dirt and all the skins and dirt are gone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell on the side, and tell us your thoughts in the comments section, and I will wait for you in the next video.